To create a form, go to Smart Forms for Jira and click Create Form. You can create a form manually or let AI do it. Simply drag and drop elements like text fields, drop-downs, or checkboxes for your form. To save time, use AI to do it. Pre-fill fields automatically with existing Jira issue date to speed up form completion. Select the project and issue field values you want to put in your form element. You will see the result of pre-filling instantly in your form. Make your form visually appealing by customizing the background, fonts, and embedding reference images or videos. Use form logic to show or hide fields based on user responses. Here, you can see how selecting browser question will reveal additional input field. Control who can edit and view form and responses to ensure secure and structured data collection. Once everything is set up, save and preview your form before sharing it.
Smart Forms for Smart Jira.